Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So,
Good afternoon, sir.
everyone has joined 17, 16, I think
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Prithvi.
sir, at what time is the test on Sunday, sir?
Ready for the test?
Sir,
Hello. Prithvi, are you ready for the test?
sir, today,
Sunday?
Monday,
Sunday.
when, sir?
I'll tell you. Maybe morning. Morning, as I'll tell the time. Anything you have to plan for Sunday?
No, sir, Sunday morning, one more class I have. That's why I just confirm.
What's the timing of that class?
Sir, 10 to 12.
10 to 12. Okay, I'll do something so that everyone can be accommodated. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
even me, I have a selection round, so
So, you cannot write test?
I can, but when is this test? I just need to know the timing.
Okay, I'll tell you the timing. Today, I'll tell you the timing.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So going back to yesterday's assignment. So any doubt? I think you should not have any doubt, right? Everything is clear. Huh? What happened? A pin drop silence. Yes, Ashish.
Sir, 17th and 7th and 8th one.
7th and 8th one. 17th and 18th you're done?
Sir, 17th and 18th one.
Ashish said 7th and 8th. I'm just Ashish. 17th
sir.
and 18th you have completed?
Sir, yes. No, sir.
Okay. Anyway, from 1st to 8th question, quickly tell me which all question you want me to solve. Raise your hand. Ashish, any question from 7 and 8 you are saying?
7th and.
7th and 8th. Then is Rashi.
Sir, 8th one.
8th one. Then, okay, others don't have any doubt. Okay, Sia also has. Sia.
5th one, sir.
5th one. Okay. Anybody else? Manish, just tell me Manish.
Sir, 7th one.
7th one. Okay. So nobody else has any doubt. Great. Okay, so from there I will pick students and they will start doing this question. So apart from these 4, everyone has done everything till 8th. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, great. That's good. Samruddhi, come online.
Yes, sir.
5th question, Sia, which one? Which part? 6th question?
The
Yeah.
first one.
First one. Okay. The question says, yes, Samruddhi, sir, the question is 625 to the power minus 3 by 4. Tell me what to do. Samruddhi.
We can take it as 5 to the power 4.
Very good.
Minus 3 by 4.
Minus 3 by 4.
We
So,
can cut the 4.
cancel 5 to the power minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is
now
equal.
we must take it as 1 by 5 to the power minus 3.
Yes, very good.
No, sir, not minus 3, only 3.
Okay.
Which equals to 1 by 125.
Yes, very good. Great. Sia, understood?
Sir.
Understood, na? How we did?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now is 7th question. 7th question, which part? Manish, which part? First
the
or
first
second?
one.
First one. 7th question. First one. Okay. So I will pick Vijay. Come online.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this 7th question, first part. The question is
Sir.
243 by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 125 by 27 to the power 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 to the power minus 2 by 256 1 by 4 into 625 1 by 4. Yes, tell me, Vijay.
Sir, I did it like I broke it into parts, like numerator and denominator. Sir, numerator
ठीक है.
first.
Tell me numerator first.
Sir, it's 3 by 2 to the power minus 2, like 5 will get cancelled.
So we can write like this. What Vijay is telling, minus 2 by 5. We can write like this. 3 to the power 5 is 243. 2 to the power 5 is 32. So we can write like this. Next, 2 by 3.
To the power minus 3.
Okay, next.
Into 5 by 3 to the power 2. To the power 5 and then minus
5 by 3 to the power
2.
2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then plus 3 by 5.
No, here it is 125 by 27 to the power 2 by 3.
Yes, sir. Then 5, that is 5 cube and then 3 cube. 3 and 3 get cancelled and then 2.
So 5 to the power 3, Vijay, will make it 3 and then you will multiply, right? Then you will make again.
Sir, I did it directly.
Okay. So this is then
Plus 3 by 5 to the power minus 2.
plus 3 by 5 to the power minus 2. Correct. So what we did for others, 3 to the power 5, 243. 2 to the power 5, 32. So this 5 and whole minus 2 by 5. Here, same thing we have written. Here, what we have written, 5 cube is 125 and 3 cube is 27. So 5 by 3 whole cube, then again 2 by 3 we have written. Then plus 3 by 5 to the power minus 2. Now this 5 gets cancelled. This 3 gets cancelled. So left out is 3 by 2 to the power minus 2 into 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. Now here, this is multiplied. Here 5 by 3 to the power 2 plus 3 by 5 minus 2. Correct? Any doubts till here? Anyone has? Till this stage?
Sir, I don't have a doubt, but could you solve the 18th question also?
I said, Aristan, I asked till 8th question who all have doubts. 18th question I'll come later.
7th second question. I didn't hear that. So
Okay, 7th one, second. Vishal, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Till this stage, anyone has any doubt? No. So now, second step is, these powers are negative. Let's make it positive. So what we will do? 2 by 3 reciprocal. 3 by 2. Then 5 by 3. 5 by 3 to the power 2 plus 5 by 3 to the power 2. Correct? Question correct. Okay. Now tell me what to do. Vijay.
Sir, now we have to expand them.
Okay. So
4 by 9 into 27 by 8.
here
25 by 9 plus 25 by 9.
okay. Now 4 by 9 into 27 by 8 multiply by this. You can write it as
50 by 9.
by 9.
Oh, sorry, 9.
Any doubt? Anybody? Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to cancel.
3,
3
4,
3 is a 9. 4
2, sir, 25. Then
25. So what is the answer?
25 by 3.
Is this the answer?
Yes, sir. Numerator. Sir, this is numerator, sir. We have
This
to
is
do
numerator. Sorry, yeah, we were doing numerator. So this is numerator 1. Now we'll do denominator. Oh, sorry. Now we'll do denominator. 256 1 by 4 into 625 1 by 4. How can we write it as?
Sir, 4 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. Like 1,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Into
5
5 to the power 4, 1 by 4. 4 into 5, 20. That is
20.
denominator.
So now numerator divided by denominator, that is 25 by 3. Tell me.
I did it like I took both in a bracket and to the power 1 by 4.
I didn't get. Come again.
Oh,
It's
okay.
like I did it like a to the power m.
This one you are
multiplied by
talking
b to the
about.
power
Denominator
n.
you are talking about, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
That will only make
I
it tougher.
Wait, Vijay. Yeah, tell
I
me.
took both of them in a
Huh.
bracket, whole to the
Huh.
power 1 by 4.
1 minute. You are telling you have written like this 6 to 5 to the power 1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Then what you did?
Then I took 4 multiplied by 5.
4 multiplied by 5.
Whole to the power 4 multiplied by 1 by 4.
Same thing. Now, so why you are multiplying here? Rather than this,
Yes, sir.
4 to the power 5. You are making again 256, 4 to the power 4 and 5 to the power
Yes, sir.
4.
Yes,
So
sir.
why you are doing here and then again splitting the same thing? Here only you can write 256 as 4 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. Here you can write 626, 25 as 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. You are doing the same thing, just introducing one more step.
Okay. So I just wanted to clear whether my process is correct or not.
See, the process always remains correct, but the thing is, you are duplicating things, the same step, just adding one more step.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is 20. Now, numerator is 25 by 3 divided by 20. So we can write 25 by 3 into 1 by 20. So this goes for
4s are 5s are 5 by 12.
5 by 12. So this is the answer. Got it? Note it down. Who has not solved this question, please note it down. Next is 7, part 2. 7th means second one. Okay, for this, who will come online? 3 come online. The question is, 625 minus 3 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 multiplied by 3, 0.008 to the power minus 2, then by who will have solved this question and got the right answer? Please raise your hand. Who has solved this question and got the right answer? Please raise your hand. Nobody. Is it? 7, 2.
Sir, I solved properly only denominators.
No, I am asking about this question. Anybody
Yes,
who
sir,
has you have solved this question, Prithvi?
No, sir, but properly I didn't get.
Okay. No, nobody who has solved and got the final answer. Anybody from you? Aditya, Manish,
Sir, I didn't solve,
Rashi?
sir. I have to do.
You have to do. Today was the time na, to finish. Rashi,
Yes, sir.
what happened? You couldn't solve?
Sir, I tried, but I didn't get the final answer. Correct.
Manish, Aditya, Anupriya,
Same here, so I tried, but I couldn't get it.
Tejal, Samriddha, Sia, Punya, Vishal. Okay. ठीक है. Looks very scary, isn't it? What to do in this? You know, when this type of question is there, na, this will be easy, very easy. Looks very scary, but it is actually very easy. Step 1. Who's on the chat? Step 1. All these roots in power. So can we write like this? 625 to the power minus 3 by 4 into 0.00001 to the power 1 by 5 multiply by 729 to the power 1 by 3 multiply by 0.008 to the power minus 2 by 3 by 243 to the power 1 by 5 into 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. Any doubt till here?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has? What I have written, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This was the step 1. So all roots, I have put it in power. Now second thing, second step. These all big numbers. Let's make it. What number raised to 4 will become raised to 4? This denominator
5.
will
Four.
become. Wait,
Four,
wait,
five
wait,
is
wait. I will call one by one. So the second step is what number you will raise to 4 so that it becomes 625. So 5. Whoever said 4, please multiply and show me how 4.
Sir, sorry, sir, by mistake.
Minus 3 by 4. This we can write like this? Yes. This, let's make it like this. Can we write 1 by? And let it be like this. Can we write like this? Yes. 729. What you will raise to the power 3 so that it becomes 729?
9.
9.
9 to the power 3, 1 by 3. We can write. Now we'll write this as
8 by 1000.
now. What you will raise to the power 5 so that becomes 243.
3.
3 to
Three.
the power 5.
So this is 5 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3. Till this point, any problem anyone has? What I have written, second step? No one. So I will cut this gone, this gone, this gone, this gone. So I will write it 5 to the power minus 3 into, now can you write this as 1 by 10 to the power 5 into 1 by 5? Can you write this as 2 by 10 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3? Now, this is 3, this is. Any doubt? Any doubt? No, nobody has doubt. So, let's write it again. Now this is 1 by 10. This is 9. This is 2 by 10 minus 2 by 3 into 5 minus 2. Any doubt till here? No doubt. Okay. Now, next step is all negative powers into positives. So, can you write 5 minus this one as 1 by 5 to the power 3? This will come down. Can we write into 1 by 10? This will remain as it is into 9. This will reciprocal to make
10
it
by 2.
10 by 2 to the power 2.
10 by 2 to the power 2. And these all will come in denominator. So
1 by
here it will be 1 by 3. And this one is, it will go up.
1 by 5 to the power.
Is it clear? This conversion is clear. Any doubt, please raise your hand. I have made negative power into positive by reciprocal, and this 1 by 10 in numerator has gone 1 by 10 into 9 into 10 by 2, 10 by 2 to the power 2, and denominator it is 3. So I have 1 by 3 into, this will go up, numerator 5 by to the power 2. No doubt. Now now you have already solved. You can write it as this, or we'll do one thing. We'll cut. So, or let me write it. 5 by 3 into 1 by 10 into 9 into 100 by 4 into 1 by 3, 25. We can write like this. Now, 3 3s are 9. This gone. Now what is left out? Now 5, 25, and this is 5 into 5 into 5, 125. So it will be 1 by 5, 3, 1 by 4. Is this the answer? Which we are doing? 625, 7, 2, 3 by 2, 2,
It's 3 by 2, sir.
wait, 5, 5 by 3, this is 9 into by 4 into 1 by 3 into 25. So this 3 gone. Then, sorry, yes, 13. 3 into 10. Here it's 10. 30. Got it? Here it is 10, not 3. Here it is 10 also. Got it? Any doubt? Pin drop silence. Yes, no, can't say,
No,
all of the
sir.
above.
No doubt, sir.
Please write it. Hope, please write it, the solution.
Sir, can you give 2 minutes for writing?
Yeah, I have given you, write it. Once done, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
They're done.
Sir, not
Yeah.
done.
Keep writing.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Anyone who has not done yet?
So me just 2.
Okay, okay.
So done.
8th question also anyone has doubt?
So
8th question,
Sir, I
okay.
have.
Okay, ठीक है, I'll do it. Anyone who has done 8th question and got the right answer?
I did it. I got the right answer.
Okay. Anybody else?
Sir, even I have a doubt in 8th one, sir.
Miss Bhanupriya, come online.
Yes, sir.
So first step,
It's 125 by 1000.
125 by 1000 to the power 1 by 3.
Yes, sir. Multiplied by 32 to the divided by 1 lakh. Yeah. To
Minus
the
2
power
by,
1 by 2 by 5.
then
Then it is 243 divided by 5 zeros. Yeah. To the power 3 by 5. Yeah. And then 20. Yes, sir.
any doubt?
Then
Just let others.
yes.
What we did, the first step was this root, I took it out and put it in fraction, power fraction, and this decimal I have converted into ratio. Anyone has any doubt? No. So second step is
So
Bhanupriya.
5 by 10 to the power 3.
5 by, or we can write it 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 by
Yes.
10 to the power 3 into 1 by 3.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Multiply by 2 to
2
the
by
power 5,
5 by like multiplied by 1 by 5. Yeah,
2
2
by
by
5.
5. And
And
then 10 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5.
any doubt? Anyone has? What we did? This 5, 125 you can write 5 to the power 3, 1000 you can write 10 to the power 3. And this power we have multiplied 3 into 1 by 3 and 3 into 1 by 3. Here 2 to the power 5, 32 is 2 to the power 5 and 10 to the power 5, and both power we have multiplied by minus 2 by 5. And denominator 243.
So it's 3 to the power 5. Yeah, multiplied by minus 3 by 5. Again 10 to the power 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 5. And
here it
here
is. This
9.
gone.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Anyone has? No. So
And then
now
we cancel
we'll
out the powers.
cancel everything.
Powers. Yes, sir.
So what left out? Left out is
So it's 5
by
10
into 2
multiplied
by
by 2 by 10
10
to the
to the
power
power
minus 2
2 by
3 by 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 9.
Okay, we got it. Now what is the next step? All the
Reciprocal.
negative power into positive power. So reciprocal. 5 by
10 multiplied by 10 by 2 to the power 2 and 10 by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2.
ठीक है. Now
Then writing the
first
values,
we'll put it in
multiplied by
denominator.
100
Everything
by
will
100 by 4, and then 1000 by 27.
Can we write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Now 3, 3, 3, 3 gone. So here 10 gone. 2, 5 gone.
Yes,
So
sir.
in numerator, what is left out? 5 into 5, 25 by 2.
By 2.
And denominator, mein what is left out?
1000 by 3.
1000 by 3.
3.
So we
So
can
reciprocate
25 by 2 divided by just first
1000 by
3
3,
equals to
which is
25 by 2 into 3 by
1000.
1000.
So 25 4 is yeah.
Is this answer?
No, sir. I did it by 5. I got it
8
as
by
3 by
3 by
80.
80. 3 by
80. I got it as 3 by 80.
हाँ ठीक है, that's
cancelled.
correct है. 4 to the 8. So where 25 by 2, 10 to the power.
Sir, the denominator is 1000. That's 1000.
Hmm.
25 by 2 into 3 by 1000. The last. The last.
Sorry, yes. Sorry. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt? What we are doing it? First, this root we are converting into powers. Then these big numbers into their denominator powers. And then we are cancelling everything. So you're left out with this some negative powers. That negative power you have to convert it into positive. Then it's all about cancellation, what we are doing. Is it clear? Any doubt? 8th question, any doubt?
No, sir.
Till 8th question, anyone has any doubt now? Till 8th question. Anyone has any doubt till 8th question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So others who has not written, that means you don't have any doubt till 8th question. You have written? Those who are writing, please write it. Anyone struggled in question 12? Question 12. Anyone who struggled in question 12, who couldn't do 12th number question? So it seems
Sir,
everyone
I
has
did
that.
still 8, sir. I have to do from 8 today.
Why, Prithvi? What happened?
Sir, I was not well yesterday. Only today I'm doing all this.
Okay. Anybody else? No doubt in 12th question. That's very good because same question we did it yesterday, I guess. Can I rub this one? Anyone who's still writing? No. Now, 17th question. Anyone has doubt in 17th question?
Yes, sir. 17th and 18th.
Okay. 17th.
17
I think I'm doing it. I just wanted to.
Sir, can you solve 18th one?
Can I solve 17th one first? Then I'll solve 18th one. So 5 2x minus 1 minus 25 x minus 1 equals to 2500. So this is the question, isn't it?
Sir, I even had a doubt in 17th one.
Yeah, I'm solving it. So let's see.
Yes.
Can we write it like this? This one is multiplication, so the power will get added. So 2x minus 1 will be same thing. Can we write it like this? Expanded form.
Yes, sir.
Can we write it like this? This is 2x minus 2. So this one, can you write 2x minus 2? And then can you write 5 to the power 2x into 5 to the power minus 2? Anyone has any doubts in this expansion? Okay.
Sir,
Now,
so that the dot thing actually determines multiplication.
yeah, dot is multiplication.
Okay, sir.
Dot is multiplication. This is multiplication. Dot, everyone knows now in the higher standard you write dot between these two. That is multiplication. Now, what is common?
5 to the power 2x.
5 to the power 2x. So what is left out? Isn't it? 5 to the power 2x common. So what is left out? 5 to the power minus 1 and 5 to the power minus 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, how can you write this 1 by 5 minus 1 by 25 equals to 5 to the power 4 into 4? Can you write it like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till this stage? Five, 5, 5, 5. Can we write like this? Understood? This, I have taken this and this down. So this 4 gone. 525, you can write 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 4. So it is 5 to the power 6. And here it is 5 to the power 2x. So base is same. So can you say 2x is equals to 6? So x is equals to 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt? 17th question.
No, sir.
Good. So now last 18th question you are talking, right?
Sir, can I
Please,
copy?
please copy. Once done, please let me know.
Sir, done.
Okay. Anyone not done yet?
Sir, me 1 minute.
Okay,
Sir.
okay, write it.
Sir, done.
Anyone else left out? No. Okay. The last question looks very tough, isn't it?
Sir, I have solved it correctly.
You have solved. Who has solved? Rajji. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else who has done it? So prove m minus n is equals to 2. This you have to prove. Ashri, come.
Yes, sir.
So 9 you can write it as 3 to the power 2 n plus 1
Into 3 n minus n by 2 into minus 2 minus 3 cube into n, yeah, by 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3 is equal to 1 by 9 to the power 3.
or you can write it as straight away 3 to the power 9. No, 729. Anyway, so you are writing 9 to the power 3.
Yeah,
Okay, chalo, later we'll do.
yeah.
Now,
Then 2n plus 2 into 3 1, that's n, minus 3 to the power 3n by 3m into 8.
any doubt anyone has till this stage? What he is doing? He has first made 9 as 3 square and then 2n plus 1 in multiplication. Now this one, he has multiplied minus n by 2 into minus 2. This 2 gone. Minus minus is plus. So 3n. Here he has done 3 to the power 3. That is 25. N into n. So 3 to the power 3n. Divided by 3. This into this power 3m. And this 2 to the power 3. And here it is. He has written 9 to the power 3. Now he has expanded this one. 2n plus 2. Here 3n. Then 3 to the power 3n by 3 to the power 3m into 8 equals to 1 by 9 to the power 3. Any doubt anyone has till this stage? No doubt.
So next we split the 2n plus 2. That will be 2 3. 3 to the power n minus 3 to the power 3n by 3 to the power 3m into 8 is equal to 1 by 9 to the power 3.
What he has done, okay, what he has done, this 3 to the power 2n plus 2, can you write 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 2? Now, yes, Rashi.
So then we can multiply 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power n. So it will be 3 to the power 3n.
So this is this and this he has multiplied. So base remains same. Power gets added. 2n plus n is 3n into this 9.
2.
This.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem.
Minus 3 to power
3n.
3n by 3 to the power 3m
into 8 is equal to 1 by 9 to the power 3.
Okay,
Then,
wait. We have multiplied, we got 3n, and this 3 square is 9, and here minus 3 to the power 3n. Now, denominator 3 to the power 3m into 8. Now, tell me, Rashi.
Then we take 3 to the power 3n common. So remains 9 minus 1. Bracket close by 3 to the power 3m into 8. And to the RHS we take 9 to the power minus 3.
Minus, okay, we'll take it. Understood. We have taken 3n. This is one term, this is another term. 3n is common, so we took 3n common. What is left out in this? 9. What is left out if you have taken 3 to the power 3n common? 1. So, and divide the same, denominator remains same. Now,
3 to the power 3n into 8.
Wait. 3 to the power 3n
into 8
into 8
by 3 to the power 3m into 8.
3 to the power 3m into 8 is equals to 1 by 9 to the power 3. This 8 gone.
Then
what is left out? 3 to the power 3m
divided by 3 to the power 3m.
3m equals to 1 by 9 to the power 3.
So
now, this is in division.
So then 3 to the power 3n minus 3m, because division, is equal to 9 to the power minus 3.
Or
Then 3n.
Or okay, we'll write it like this only. 3m
minus 3
equals to 3 to the power
square. 3 square.
3 square minus 3.
Minus 3. Then 3 to the power 3n minus 3m is equals to 3 to the power minus 6. Then we take
now this base is same, so this exponent should also be same. So 3n minus 3m
is equal to minus 6.
Is equal to minus 6.
So now we take 3 common.
Okay.
N minus m is equal to minus 6. On equating, we will get n minus m is equal to minus 2. So m minus n will be 2. M minus n is equal to 2.
Yes, tell me. Everyone has understood all the steps? Here 3 to the power 3n by 3 to the power 3n. So same base, power gets subtracted. So we made it 3 to the power n, 3n minus 3m equals to 9 to the power minus 3. So 9, you can write 3 square. So it becomes minus 6. Base is same. Power should be same. 3n minus 3m is equals to minus 6. So 3 you take common. So it becomes n minus m is equals to minus 2. And then since you have to change negative, I have taken minus common. So m minus n is equals to 2. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Anybody else in this question? Any doubt? Please write it. Hope you are writing.
Done.
With understanding. Write it with understanding. Any place or any step you have not understood. So with this, you have done with the question which I gave you for assignment. So now whatever I have taught, you will have test on Sunday. Timing I'll send you. Revise all the laws, exponent laws, how to put it in P by Q form, any non-terminating recurring number, rationalization. Okay, focus on these points. Clear?
Sir.
ठीक है, तो we'll end the session here. All the instruction I'll send it on WhatsApp about the test, timing, how to do it. Sunday we'll have test.
Sir, can it be after 12?
Pardon?
After 12.
Sunday you have school class or what?
Yes, sir. Sir, wait. This Sunday, no.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. ठीक है, I'll send it. The timings and all I will send it.
Have a nice day, sir.
Sir, maybe afternoon or evening we can have no, sir.
I'll see Prithvi out what I can do.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Tomorrow? Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow you don't have any class. Tomorrow is your revision day.
No science also, sir.
No science.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.